Hack a week peeps. I'm out here in the workshop after work just playing around a bit, and I've got a 3D print going in the background, a little Mini Cooper thing for the bottom of my cup holder. I've also got an old project here that I thought I might resurrect to be a cool one to throw on Hack a Week. Hack a Week mobile. I'm shooting all this on mobile phone now. Awesome. Here's the beginnings of it. You ever heard of a Leslie speaker? It's a speaker that spins around in a circle, and as it's spinning, the sound is coming out of one side. As you turn it around, of course, the sound's not there. Then you put a microphone next to it, and you get kind of this wow, 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 wow sort of a noise. I think I did something with it in another hack, talking about a Leslie speaker I pulled out of an old organ. But anyway, this one is itty bitty, the size of my hand. I want to see if I can make a little tiny Leslie speaker, and I'm going to run a guitar through it, and then I'm going to put a little condenser microphone or some other kind of mic, like right here in front of it. Preferably just a little condenser mic, close proximity kind of thing. Run that through a little preamp, and then run that back into the effects and see what it sounds like through an amp. So I've got these two pieces I printed out that insert on one side and the other side, and that's where I can mount a little spindle, and then I'll spin it with probably this little DC motor. I've got a piece of copper PCB material here that I just painted as some etch resist. This is just a paint pen. It works okay for that. I'll mount that on one of these, and then I'll put two little cat whisker kind of assemblies, maybe out of some springs, and that's where it can then allow a speaker signal from speaker wire to be connected to those two little whiskers. They will rub on that, and then on the other side of that I need to connect into this somewhere along here where it doesn't interfere with the cat whiskers rubbing, and then the two wires that go through the other side of that will go to the speaker terminals and make the speaker work. Wow, that was really complicated. So I'm gonna just like jump ahead to, you know, building this thing fast. This is all about fast video. Balance is going to be an issue. Whoa. I may have to counterweight this. It is now all connected to this and balanced. See those lead weights? Lead weights, lead weights. It is all balanced. And here's this beautiful piece of art. It's fucking great. Where'd that come from? Came out pretty good. Just for paint pen blocking agent. Now I just got to drill two holes, solder some wires to it, and go from there. Here we go. Built a box, little box, 4 inches by 4 inches on the bottom. Right down there on the bottom is a 832 screw coming through there with an 832 nut on it. And then I have a little spacer here, 1/8 inch inside diameter nylon spacer cut to height. And these are my little whiskers that will rub on the circuit board on the bottom of that drum, the spinning drum, and these are the wires going at the back where you can connect the speaker to an external audio source. And here is that little drum. It's got some silicone grease on it for a little lube and a little bit of schmutz off the bench. I should probably clean that off at some point. But that hole in the bottom drops onto that 832 bolt like so. And the whiskers rub against the etched PCB, and that spins around, and it can get a signal via that gray wire into the speaker while it's spinning. On top of the box, there's a piece of wood that goes on there. It's got a hole in the center that's the same diameter as the spindle on the motor. So it's designed to go right here on the top
and line up with that hole right there in the motor, that one. And then the top goes on and gets screwed in place, and it holds everything there. Looks like a little washing machine. And there we go. The motor will spin that little Leslie speaker, and it should sound like wow, 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 wow. Running with a mic, but the mic is picking up the noise on the box, which is kind of funny, really. So there it is, running through that amp. Let's give it a listen. It's all about mic placement. With a different mic, a PE66, I think it is. Before it was the SM57. That's a SM58 over there. I still hear noise, but it's okay, you know. I mean, the whole thing's about kind of noise and grunge anyway. So let's hear what this sounds like through the amp now. We got the distortion off. Try it with some overdrive. Cool. That's just crunchy. Awesome. Thanks for watching. See you next time.